In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile menu on WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to optimize your site for mobile users, these instructions will help you make the necessary adjustments efficiently. Let's get started. The first step is to head over to wordpress.com. You'll want to make sure you're on the correct website as it's the starting point for accessing and editing your site. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in, which is typically on the upper right side of the page. Click on it to proceed. Now, to make the process seamless, you can select Continue with Google. This option offers a quick and secure way to log in without having to remember additional passwords. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Just select the account that's linked to your WordPress site, and you'll be able to move forward smoothly. With your Google account selected, it's time to dive into the editing features. On the right side of your dashboard, you'll find a section labeled Quick Links. Here, you'll click on Edit Site. This option brings you closer to making your desired changes on the mobile view of your site. After you've clicked on Edit Site, you'll need to select your website from the available list. It's important to ensure you're working on the correct site if you manage more than one. Once your website is loaded, you're almost at the editing stage. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on View. This action allows you to preview the setup of your website, ensuring you're focused on the mobile aspect of the design. Immediately after that, there will be an option to click on Mobile. This is where the customization specifically for mobile devices comes into play. With the mobile view in place, navigate to your website's header. You can do this by simply clicking on the header section. This step is pivotal as the header typically contains the mobile menu and is where our primary changes will occur. Finally, on the right panel, you'll see editing options for your header. Here you can make adjustments to your menu layout, item labels, and other mobile specific settings that will improve navigation for visitors using mobile devices. Feel free to experiment with different styles or structures to see what best suits your site's needs, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively edit the mobile menu on your WordPress site, enhancing the user experience for anyone accessing your content via a mobile device. Remember, regular updates and adjustments based on user interaction can significantly benefit your site's overall performance. Thanks for watching and happy editing.